Hey Matt, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. The reason we contacted your company is because we've noticed that in Bend, Oregon, there are high search volumes for landscaping services. So we figured to contact you. In this video, I'll audit your site and I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more traffic. More traffic means more clients, more work, right? I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, Matt. It's a good website. Overall, it has a easy navigation. The link seems to be working just fine. I notice you have these clickable phone number and emails. These are great to have, making it easier for the end user. Prices gallery, everything seems to be working just fine. So kudos on your website. However, not enough content. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage alone. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. And Matt, by keywords, I mean phrases or, words that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, your services. The keyword that we used to find your company was landscaping Bend, Oregon. That's actually a good keyword. There's a high volume for that specific keyword, and I'll show you in just a second what I mean. In this case, again, your landscaping services. Just remember, the more content, the better. If your competitor has 1,000 words, then you want 1,500 words. If your competitor has 1,500 words, bump up to 2,000. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, let's jump into Raros. This is a paid tool, of course. If you don't mind paying for it, this is a great way to monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. And let's go to the overview here. And this is what you currently have. So your website here, currently you have 13 keywords. This is very important. I'll elaborate a little bit more on this in just a second. In a monthly basis, you're not getting any traffic. The backlinks 56, referring domains 12, the DR 0.1, and the UR 2.7. So of course, you can increase it too. The UR and the DR meter, or the rating, is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these ratings is through backlinks and citations. A backlink is just a shout out or a clickable link from another website. This could be a simple URL on a text format in a separate website. A citation, Matt, is essentially your business company name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. And a directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Ideally, you would like to keep both the UR and the DR meter at a 1-to-1 ratio. It's just good practice. It will give you a better boost when comparing the browser to another website. Google will give you a preference, which is great. You currently have, again, 56 backlinks. This is not a lot. Referring domains, these are unique backlinks of 12. Again, 13. No traffic. At one point, let me see here. At one point, you seem to have three people jumping onto your website on a monthly basis. Actually, that was just back in September and October, but you kind of lost that power, so you currently don't have any traffic going for you, unfortunately, for your company. When comparing to one of your competitors, looks like these guys are getting all the attention. So they have, a little bit of content, but they do have relevant backlinks behind the website that is giving them power. Blake & Sons Landscaping are getting all the attention. We train your lawn, not your wallet. Funny. When you go to their what they have going behind the scenes, backlinks, they currently have 134, referring domains 15, keywords 42, so they have more, and in a monthly basis, they're getting around 100. They are increasing, so I kind of figured, yeah, they're getting more backlinks, relevant backlinks, powerful backlinks, which are great. The DR 0.6 and the UR 3.3. So this is beatable. So there's nothing to, don't get intimidated. You do need some work on your website to get some traffic. However, this is beatable. You could do this. The keyword 42, this is what they currently have. This is a list of keywords through their website. For this keyword here, landscaping Bend, Oregon, this is how we found you actually. Not on top, but we found you with this keyword, and in a monthly basis, this keyword alone is getting over 300 search volume a month. This keyword here, Bend Landscaping, 150. You get the idea. You don't want to use this type of keywords. This is actually their company name. I'm sure you realize that, but there are other good keywords here. Landscape design, Bend, Oregon, 60 a month. So let's go with these top two. So 300, 150 for this keyword, 450 total. Imagine these 450 are finding you instead. They're not getting the 450. People are not finding them for the 450 because they just don't have those relevant backlinks and citations and good content format with keywords around it in the heading and also on the actual description below the heading. So you get the idea. This is the whole point of optimizing your website and getting more traffic onto your website. It does take a lot of work, but it's doable if you have the time, or we could even help you with those services. So this is a keyword list here. Just remember, let's go back to your website. Add some more relevant domains, referring domains, backlinks, and you should be set. Get some good content on the, just get some good content. Improve on the keywords. This is very important. You don't seem to have a lot, and unfortunately, no traffic. So, Matt, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way, I won't keep sending you some annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me with any thoughts, Matt, or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Matt. Hope to hear from you soon.